Yes, Dr. Maiti, thank you for inviting us in your IC, and thanks to AIOS for let us organizing this kind of instruction course. Very interesting portrait situations. So, uh, my first topic is sudden intraoperative kits in choroidals, and uh, this is a case of total lateral detachment with choroidal detachment with kind of hypotonia. So I raise the intraocular pressure by injecting BSS solution inside the vitreous cavity. Then I put all the trocar cannula and just feed the infusion tip from any kind of vitreous, now complicated vitrectomy. And after doing the vitrectomy, I injected the PFC to settle the retina, then followed by fluid exchange after completion of vitreous brace excision. And you can see the nice retina setting, and did the laser 360 laser where it has been done, and finally was on the point of closing the surgery after injecting silicone oil. Then I took out all my probe to inject the silicone oil. Then again I put the lens, but nothing was visible. I have seen that the retina there is kissing choroidals, no glow. And when I checked why it has happened, what to be done next. So all my cannulas were inside the vitreous cavity except the infusion cannula. It was partially out. That means the tip of the cannula was inside the supracondylar space and it was in the FG state. That means air has gone inside the supracondylar space and it is causing the supracondylar. That is a situation where when the production choroidal happen. Now let's check the what I have done. Yeah, I know that I knew that tip of my right-handed cannula was inside the vitreous, but unfortunately the infusion cannula came out in the supracondylar space. So if I introduce the infusion cannula inside the right-handed port, then the air will go again inside the vitreous cavity, and the air, whatever there in the supracondylar, so that will be pushed back again. So just see again, and you can see that choroidal has gone. You can recheck it also. Just check it. I put the infusion tip, air infusion inside the vitreous cavity, right side, and just then I was sure that the air is still there inside the vitreous cavity in the supracondylar space. I introduced my non-valve trocar cannula. See the air is coming out from the supracondylar space. Now, after raising the IOP routine, trocar cannula was again inside put inside the vitreous cavity for the let's check the tip of the infusion cannula again and injected the finally injected the silicone. That means that it was almost point of no return situation has happened accidentally during the surgery. It was quite was like predictable surgery. Suddenly, some kind of disasters may happen, but if you think it very like fully and this kind of approach may save you. So coming to my second case, this is the case of simple ERM, macular ERM. After doing the vitrectomy, I have to stain the ERM with trypan blue dye. So I avoid peripheral vitreous base excision. There was vitreous base dissection. There was no problem. But while after injecting the dye, I have seen the macula seems to be boggy. I have checked it temporarily. There's some kind of fluid was going. It's a very strange kind of situation. Why it has happened? The ERM was totally stained nicely. Just see it again. That when initially just see the while doing the vitrectomy, nothing was there. After fluid exchange, I introduced the dye, and now I've seen the macula seems to be boggy. There is just a track of fluid going just like this of exudative RD. You can see the like in CSR, some kind of fluid is going in front. It was not there. It has happened during the surgery. Now I started doing the ERM removal, and during the ERM removal, my field was I am operating like now I am operating on CSR like kind of situation. So whatever maybe the reason I was supposed to do the ERM removal and I was doing the ERM, but seems to be very awkward kind of situation. Why detachment like a situation, then that happened. Then I checked it, suddenly total retinal detachment, and there was big retina was almost retinal. You can see the subretinal layer also that means infusion on bone subretinally. And after checking all these things, I have detected that a lot of like large tears has happened at the site of infusion. So maybe due to anterior insertion of retina detachment retina, maybe that my port has been injected 4 millimeter away from the limb, but still maybe it is due to the anterior insertion of the vena serrata. My infusion cannula is just gone through the retina, and you have to always be aware of anterior condition and insertion of vena serrata. That usually happens more in medial kind of medial entry, but in this situation, lateral entry is still for the infusion is very rare, but that may happen. So these are my code rates.